Kapag nasaktan kayo at gusto nyo mag-move on, ang laging tanong ng kabataan, lahat ng nasasaktan, sir, paano ko makalimutan? Am I correct? Pero hindi po. Moving forward is not about forgetting. Moving forward is not about kalimutan. Moving forward is all about acceptance. Tanggapin yung situation na wala na kayo. Tanggapin na hindi talaga kayo. Tanggapin na kahit papano, wala nang kayo. So pag natanggap mo yan, kailangan mo mag-forward. At yan yung number 6, you need to move forward. Hindi po sinabi kalimutan. Because by the end of the day, you cannot forget someone na naging parte ng pagkatao ninyo. Makakalimutan mo ba? Pero makakalimutan mo, kung susunod dyan, lukso ka dyan, amnesia. Yan, limot ka, tama? But the problem with amnesia, na solution natin para makalimutan mo siya, is lahat ng memories mo kadalasan nawawala. But if you want na maka-move forward ng mas maganda, pero mas mahirap siya, may proseso siya, you need to accept that situation is wala na talaga. That partner, mayroon ng iba. That friend, ayaw ka na niya. You just need to accept